my car.
It's your car?
This is my car. She jumped out and she got in.
Step out. Step out. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand.
I got back in my car. She was over here fidgeting, acting sketchy. So I got my gun out.
3 legal thresholds, 1 encounter, 0 preparation, carjacking or auto theft, lawful detention or assault, voluntary prosecution or none at all. The law has answers. Most people do not know the questions.
This is my car.
It's your car?
This is my car. She jumped out and she got in.
Step out. Step out. Step out. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
What's your body cam, sir? Where's your body cam?
Get up. Get over here. Can you have 42 start this way?
You can do that and do the pat down. So we'll put it in the car for your prop. Back of your hip.
Alright.
You got any weapons on you? Just go around the collar, make sure it's like that. Make sure you got no guns or not. Alright, is your car? Male driver, black female passenger.
And
That's
that
her
car.
Behind the.
No, this is mine.
Which car's hers?
This. I don't know if it's hers. That's where she was standing when I pulled up. I pumped gas. I have a 3-year-old. I got back in my car. She was over here fidgeting, acting sketchy. So I got my gun out and just had it. And then she came around this way. And
10 Bravo 58 Central, copy Florida tag and Virginia tag.
And then she come around this way. And as soon as she opened this door, she beeline right through the
Yankee
door.
404 November Golf, black Toyota. Possibly the suspect vehicle on scene still so far. Uniform Romeo Yankee 3202.
Do they have a gun? Can you see?
I did not see a car.
Who had a gun? One of y'all? Okay.
It is unloaded. It's in the car. It is unchained.
Whose car is this?
He had to go to the restroom. It's her and her husband's car.
The girl that we have?
Yeah, she was in the driver's seat when I got here.
And he had her by the leg.
Yeah.
So
It was her and that other car were doing this. There were 3 of them. So she was in that car. The black guy was driving that other car. And that black girl, the other black girl, was going to take this.
Okay. Is this your car?
that's my car. Yes,
Could
sir.
I get you to go over there and fill out a statement?
That's fine.
Did you see what happened? Where's your car? Could I have you fill out a statement at your car?
Give a statement for her. See, this is your primary victim.
Okay. Can you tell me what happened?
Yeah. I pulled in here to go to the restaurant. I got in the car. As soon as I got in the car, she got in the car. I grabbed her leg.
So you were outside of the car at that
I was
point?
outside the car.
Okay.
And I said, get out of the car. Get out of the car. And she didn't say a word. She wouldn't do it. I said, get out of the car. I said, I'll let you go if you get out of the car. She wouldn't go. She just sat there.
Okay.
I did it for 5 minutes. And so I told her she got out of the car on the other side. She was on the suspect's right. She was on the
Were you in the car when they got in? Or when she got in?
As soon as I got here, you know, I was stopping. As soon as I stopped, she was still doing getting in the car.
Okay. Did she say anything?
Never said a thing.
there was another car over there.
They saw it.
I overheard you tell Sergeant DeLong she pushed you or something like that.
Well, she opened the door. She opened the door.
She opened the door while you were in it?
Yeah, she opened the door,
Okay.
and I was getting out, and then she jumped into the car real quick.
Okay. All right. And you were still in it?
Yeah, she was still in there. Yeah, she was in
And I
there.
locked out.
She
I
found.
don't have any more pens on me. Do you guys have your IDs?
Yeah.
As soon as your husband's done with this statement, can you just fill out yours? I just need all this information, read that paragraph, initial, and write what happened. Do you want to pursue charges?
Gotta go to Virginia. I hate to come back here.
We live in Virginia. We're headed back home.
So you don't want to press charges against her?
Well, I'd like to put a charge.
That's if it gets to trial.
Huh?
That's if it gets to trial. You might have to go to court then, but anything short of that,
I hate,
shouldn't
I
have
hate,
to.
I hate to come back here to Florida. We're a long ways from home, and I hate to have to come back to Florida. I told her, I said, "Get out. You can go. You got to get out of the car." She would never go. So I didn't want to take the car. I didn't want to take. First of all, I didn't want her in it. She got out finally, and then I was afraid she was going to take the car. And I didn't know if I had the keys. I thought I had the keys. I didn't have the keys. They were in the center console.
So do you or do you not want to pursue charges?
I prefer not to.
Okay.
I mean, I want to. If I was local, I would.
What's the date?
First. First of June.
He doesn't want to pursue.
That's too bad. It's a felony. We're gonna go with it. So I'll talk to him and try and understand why.
He said he doesn't want to come back from Virginia to Florida.
Yeah, I'm from Eastern.
Well, let's see. I mean, we're still gonna do it.
Yeah, they're working.
You don't just release
Yeah, I know.
felons.
10 Bravo 58 Central, 2 Virginia, 1 North Carolina, and 1 Florida.
Just get pictures of him.
Okay.
Just document that he didn't beat anybody up, and then the pictures of his firearm, and just check.
Okay.
The firearm we're not taking.
I did a tactical takedown. I don't know if that would be.
We'll look at it.
They said this car might be hers. I ran the registration, and it matches the name of the card that she had. So Marvette Perry. So
do we get positive on it yet? That's good.
Not yet. That's her.
What's she doing?
She's saying they know.
Is she crazy? There's someone do a little.
Just talking stuff, and once you open that door, it's you're ready.
She sit in the sally port.
Yeah, she's ready once you guys open this door.
Alright. Well, this.
Okay, so let me make sure I understand it. You got off the highway, you pulled up here, right here. A black lady ran up to you, opened your door.
I didn't see her. No, I didn't see her until she opened my door. Somebody opened my door, and it was her. And as soon as I stopped, or I didn't know if I stopped, she opened the door.
And then you got
in.
out.
No. I was getting out.
And she pushed you out of the way and she got in?
Yeah.
Okay.
I had to go to the bathroom. I was going to the bathroom.
And then you just held your leg until we got here?
And I just held her because she had one leg in and I was getting out and she was in my car. I didn't know who she was. I grabbed her ankle and I said, get out. And I told her, I told her a dozen times, get out of the car. I let her go. I said, I'll let you go if you go get out of the car. I'll let you go if you get out of the car. She didn't say a thing. She didn't look at me. She didn't move.
Okay.
Until you came.
Okay. And you do want to press charges?
Well, I don't, but I will. Yes, I will.
Okay.
Florida law is precise. The difference between 5 years and 30 years in prison turns on a single word. The difference between lawful citizen action and a civil lawsuit turns on one decision made in under 10 seconds. Here is what the statute requires. Florida Statute Section 812.133 defines carjacking as the taking of a motor vehicle by force during the commission of a theft, first-degree felony, 30-year maximum without force. Section 812.014 controls instead grand theft auto, third-degree felony, 5 years. Florida courts have held that physical displacement of the vehicle owner during the taking satisfies the force element under Section 812.13. An officer who documents that displacement on camera creates admissible, contemporaneous evidence of that element. Florida HB 543, effective July 2023, established constitutional carry statewide. Section 790.1 separately prohibits exhibiting a firearm in a threatening manner before a confirmed threat. Lawful possession and unlawful display are two different acts with two different criminal consequences. Section 776.01 permits a citizen to use force to prevent imminent commission of a forcible felony. Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989 requires that force remain proportional to the threat as perceived at the moment of the decision. That standard applies to citizens and officers equally. Florida common law authorizes citizen detention using only the minimum force necessary. Force beyond restraint of movement creates civil exposure under Section 768.28 and potential criminal liability independent of the felony being prevented. Section 777.04 extends liability to all persons who agree to commit a felony and where one member commits an overt act in furtherance of that agreement. Every participant in a coordinated vehicle theft operation faces first-degree felony exposure, not only the person who entered the vehicle. Section 812.133, subsection 2A, if a firearm was present in the vehicle and the suspect had knowledge of it at the time of the taking, the charge elevates to armed carjacking. Maximum sentence rises from 30 years to life imprisonment. Lesson documentation at the moment of the incident is the line between a sustainable prosecution and a dismissed charge. Force applied, injuries sustained, weapons present, participants identified. Not recorded at the scene means it does not exist in court. The supervisor proceeded, but Florida carjacking prosecutions without a cooperating primary witness have procedural vulnerabilities that most agencies do not address in the first 48 hours. Whether what was documented here meets that threshold is not yet answered, so the other vehicles were identified but not fully accounted for on camera. Section 777.04's conspiracy requires a documented overt act connected to each named defendant. Whether that connection was legally established is the question this footage alone cannot close.